Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have a 2012 Town & Country minivan, and in this short video I will show you which fuse to check in case your minivan is equipped with power liftgate and the power button doesn't work. This video will apply to Town & Countries made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Power liftgate fuse is located under the front hood in the main fuse box, which is just next to the vehicle battery right here. Now to lift this cover you will have two black clips on the right side. One is here, other one is right here. So you want to press onto those to unlock it and then lift the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small detailed fuse diagram as well. And the fuse you want to check is fuse number J2, which is a 30 amp fuse located right here. If this fuse is good, then I would start looking into the power liftgate switch itself or the wiring issue. But if you're lucky, this will be your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.